If you've ever had your cookouts ruined by food that's been burnt to a crisp on the outside, raw on the inside, it's time you learned about the remarkable Traeger wood pellet grill. Hi, I'm Bruce Bjorkman, Mr. Barbecue, author of The Great Barbecue Companion, former competition barbecue chef, and the host of the year-round radio show Cooking Outdoors with Mr. Barbecue in Portland, Oregon, here to introduce you to the remarkable Traeger wood pellet grill. Introduced more than 20 years ago, today Traeger wood pellet grills are being used in backyards all across America by outdoor cooks who truly taste the difference cooking with this remarkable wood pellet grill.
It kind of melts in your mouth, and you don't even need to add anything else with it. Just the pellets, the way the pellets flavor the meat on the barbecue, or the vegetables, or whatever you choose to put on your barbecue. It's just excellent all the way around.
We used to have a separate smoker for fish and the sausage that we do at home. And we've played with all different kinds of barbecues, and now we have one unit. Our Traeger grill, we can smoke fish, smoke our own homemade sausage, and cook a big barbecue for a crowd.
In my neighborhood, Traeger is a verb. Seriously, if they find out I've got some steaks, they always say, "Are you going to Traeger them?" You know. And the smoke smell draws them like moths to a flame anyway. So, you know, if nothing else, I'm more popular in the neighborhood.
The secret is Traeger's patented indirect cooking system, which uses 100% all-natural hardwood barbecue pellets, which add both fuel and flavor to what you cook.
The Traeger grill gives you a truer sense of your meat, a truer flavors of your meat, mixed with a little bit of smoke, as opposed to a gas grill where you don't have the control of your heat, and it always has a little bit of a charcoal flavor.
The flavor that you get from that wood smoke, it's the best thing I've ever had.
Because you're cooking with real wood, food takes on that wonderful campfire flavor that we've all come to enjoy. Plus, you're cooking with an all-natural fuel, which is healthier than cooking with either gas or charcoal. Traeger has 10 different varieties of wood pellets to cook with.
Oak and hickory and cherry and apple, and I've become a mad scientist with those things. You know, different combinations, a little cherry, little apple, little this, little that. It's great.
Pour the wood pellets into the hopper. Turn on the grill. The auger automatically moves the pellets from the hopper to the fire pot inside the cooking chamber. There, a hot rod activates for approximately 3 minutes. As the pellets burn, heat and smoke surround the food, resulting in fantastic taste. Drippings are channeled out of the cooking chamber into an external grease bucket for easy disposal. The 3-position cook mode switch provides the ultimate in cooking versatility, allowing you to smoke, barbecue, grill, even bake, all in one appliance.
I like the versatility. I cook a lot of chicken, a lot of pork, pork and beef ribs, salmon, halibut, and pizza. You can bake things on the grill like you would in an oven.
I've burnt cookies in my oven many times, but I have never burnt anything on the Traeger.
I'll cook everything on it. I don't even use the oven anymore. I'll put a meatloaf on there, sausages, hamburgers, steak, you name it.
The Traeger is handcrafted in America in Mount Angel, Oregon. In fact, it's one of the last barbecue grills that's still produced in America. Made of heavy gauge steel for years of outdoor cooking enjoyment.
I'd like a new one, but there's nothing wrong with the old one, so we just keep using the old one.
We're on our second one, so it's probably been about 15 years.
It's built like a tank.
Believe me, this is one grill that'll spoil both you and your taste buds. And you'll be cooking a lot more safely than either gas or charcoal grills. And talk about versatile, you can bake, grill, barbecue, even roast on a Traeger wood pellet grill. And everything that comes off of it tastes absolutely delicious.
The flavor is all the way through the meat. It's not just the barbecue rub or the barbecue sauce that you're applying at the end of the process. It is in every bite that you take.
We actually at our business have a couple of the commercial models, and we feed our employees, which is about 200 people, 4 times a year off of the grills, and they just think it's wonderful.
You have a choice to make. You can continue to put up with burnt, tasteless food cooked on a gas or charcoal grill, or you can do what all these people have done and step up to a safer, easier, more flavorful way to cook with a Traeger wood pellet grill. Believe me, when you step up to a Traeger, you're definitely going to
taste the difference. absolutely the best. I wouldn't go back if you paid me money to go something else.